Today I am thrilled to present an overview of the Apex SuperBox project, a game changer for the corrugated post-print box manufacturing process. Strategically designed to challenge and innovate within the industry, this project demonstrates our commitment to excellence and environmental sustainability. The Apex SuperBox takes center stage in utilizing recycled board, specifically the B Flute Test Liner, adding complexity to the printing process. The box and white inserts were printed on recycled coated B Flute Test Liner, while the brown box inserts utilized the recycled uncoated B Flute Test Liner. What sets this project apart is the added complexity of having the production team be split across 3 countries. The design and artwork was developed by Apex International in the Netherlands. The plate making and shim mounting was executed in the UK. The printing of the box and box making was carried out in Poland. These 3 distinct steps, usually closely integrated, were deliberately separated without travel or press approvals, creating a novel challenge in our pursuit of innovation. The application of GTT engravings and water-based ink played a pivotal role in this project, offering a scientific approach to address key challenges in the printing process. The unique patent design of GTT engravings brought forward substantial advantages, notably the elimination of microbubbles and ink aeration. Microbubbles, which are a common issue in cell-based engravings, were effectively eradicated by GTT's scientific channel design, preventing air from entering the doctor blade chamber and enhancing the performance of water-based ink printing. Beyond this, GTT engravings delivers significant advantages for both the ink supplier and printers alike. For the ink supplier, GTT reduces the need for multiple recipes for the same ink due to the need for different antifoam and transfer additives. This streamlines ink production processes and improves batch production and efficiency. Printers, on the other hand, benefit from enhanced consistency and control, simplifying ink management on press, and ultimately improving print quality and profitability. Flexibility and increased print capabilities are at the core of GTT engravings. The calm liquid dynamics within the channel engraving allow printers to reduce the number of analog specifications, offering versatility of printed designs from high-quality coated board to standard test liner brown box board. The SuperBox project showcased the full capabilities of GTT 2.0 by printing with just 2 different GTT engravings: GTT Core M, which is 5.2 BCM, and GTT Core XL, which is 9.7 BCM. This achievement, with an impressive plate resolution ranging from 85 lines per inch to 142 lines per inch, produced clean and sharp prints comparable to offset quality. The coated white recycled board showcased GTT M, while the brown test liner prints highlighted the power of GTT XL. In conclusion, the Apex SuperBox project is a testament to the advanced capabilities, consistency, and environmental considerations brought about by GTT technology. This showcases our unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation and sustainability in the printing industry.